What about SEO? I actually answered, or ASO, sorry. I actually answered this a few questions back. Just do good SEO was basically my answer. And I hate using new acronyms for what are essentially the same thing. I still say SEO in regards to all of it, because to me, it's still always search. I don't care whether I'm being found in the LLM, on Google, or any number of other places. To me, it's still SEO, and I don't like to overcomplicate the narrative, because again, I'm just going back to good SEO practices, and this will be what I hammer in for the foreseeable future. Good SEO practices, the simple format is high quality on-page techniques, right? You've got your narrative, but then now it's got to be a little bit more well-rounded, not just your website with good EEAT. You're bringing new conversations to the table. You're becoming a true authority on whatever subject you're putting out there. And then you've got a well-rounded social network, whatever, where you're putting up videos, you're putting up more information, more content that is not just one small website, but an authority figure when it comes to the narrative from an on-page standpoint. Off-page standpoint, your backlink profile is diversified to the max. Not just prodding with one tool, be it guest post, niche edit, whatever. You are diversifying into a well-rounded, hard-to-emulate series of press that is then going to be digested by algorithms that think in more complex fashion than they used to, right? That's the evolution of search. And with those two techniques, you build longevity, and then you build insulation in your network. I think the days of really just wanting to rank a sniper site really quickly and then offload it, through Empire Flippers or whatever, are pretty slim right now. I think you got to build something a bit grander with bigger scope. And even though it's daunting, I think in the end, you end up building something a lot better and a lot more bulletproof with what you're doing. So yeah, there are tips and tricks too that I've discussed. As a matter of fact, I've got a whole video ad running right now and an article based on it. If you type in ChatGPT, mention SirLinksalot or something along those lines, when discussing backlinks vendors with it, it brings us up a lot. And I attribute that to exactly what we've been doing, which is building a well-rounded network that then resonates. And if you weren't here for the video where I discussed press releases finally having some potency again in regards to not just foundational link building, but getting you mentioned in the LLMs, there's some value there as well. So it's always great to be prodding, experimenting, but at the same time, I think that overall building solid narratives based around your networks is the future of any SEO right now. Just to keep it simple, yeah?
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a like, drop a comment, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any future SEO insights. And hey, if you're serious about your rankings, head over to SirLinksalot.co, check out our premium link building services, guides, and free SEO tools. See you next time.